Who here has more than 2 children? What, you can't keep it in your pants? Actually, we have a problem in this country. We have the most number of people and also some of the fattest people. Somewhere out there is the fattest on earth.
Maybe you've met him.
Oh, is that how it is?
You know, I was at a neonatal bondage class and a pregnant woman asked me, "So when are you due?" Hey, this is from lunch only. Anyway, एक बात से दूसरी बात हो गई and I became father of 3 kids. Well, I'm legally obliged to tell you that I'm a sperm donor now and I'm open for business.
You know, the other day I was talking to my doctor and he told me I could have a stroke at any time. Honestly, he didn't have to tell me. I've been stroking it multiple times a day.
So like, is it just me or like, okay, so like when they like make the jalebi, right? Have you ever like wanted to like drink the oil? ठीक है, तो सिर्फ मैं.
कौन है?
It's Cosmo Kramer.
ठीक है, ऊपर आओ.
मैं सोच रहा था मैं आपा की बाइसिकल बोरो सकाता हूँ. आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ स्टार्टिंग माई ओन रिक्शा बिजनेस.
अरे एक नया पा पगाड़ी. कलर लुक्स इनक्रेडिबल. बिल्कुल परफेक्ट.
Thanks, yaar. I just felt like trying something new for my stand-up show in Jaipur this week. My bike is in the garage. Knock yourself out, Kramer.
So, Jorjinder, आप क्या काम करते हो?
Well, actually, I'm an architect.
Oh, what kind of architect?
I design railways, you know, stations, platforms, that kind of thing.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I completely forgot. I promised my sister I'd pick her up from the game tonight. It was really nice meeting you, Jorjinder.
Likewise.
Why do my dates always end this way? Come on, Jorjinder, what kind of architect makes railways?
So the other day, my doctor gave me a prostate checkup and said something didn't feel quite right. So I told him, "Doctor, I think I want a second opinion." He pauses for a second, raises his eyebrows at me and says, "Ha ha, 1 minute," and then he put a glove on his other hand and went back in. Jaipur, you have been amazing. Thank you so much.
Excuse me, your performance was incredible. Suck main. I just had to tell you.
Oh, thank you. That means a lot.
I'm Jessica Preet. I was hoping to get your autograph.
Of course.
You know, if you're not too busy, I'd love to hear more about how you come up with your jokes.
बिल्कुल. We can talk more in my room. आइए, please. ये लो तुम्हारी शराब.
Oh my gosh, I'm so
No,
sorry.
please don't worry
No,
at
no,
all.
no.
It's okay. I'll just go change this.
Sorry to keep you waiting.
I'm so sorry. I gotta go.
Oh. That's interesting.
She literally just got up and left when my toupee fell off. How am I not supposed to feel like rubbish?
Yeah, well, I had a pretty rough night too. This hot babe was totally into me, came into my trailer after the show, but she got up and left just like that. All I did was change my turban.
It's almost like the turban was what was attracting her now that I think about it.
You don't really think that, do you?
Well, that's all I changed, honest to God.
Well, in that case, do you think I could try wearing your turban on my next date?
We can test your theory.
Of course, bhai. The more of your head you cover, the better your chances.
I cannot believe I'm friends with you.
चलो भाई जल्दी चलो.
This has got to be one of the worst ideas I've ever had. सिर्फ 10 रुपए इतनी मेहनत करके. अरे एक आइडिया आया. Whoa. All right. Come on.
Sometimes my genius, it's almost frightening.
वाओ, जॉर्जिंदर, हर जगह पत्थर ही पत्थर.
मैं खुश हूँ, तुम्हें अच्छा लगा. मैं यहाँ रिलैक्स करने आता हूँ.
क्या? पत्थर देखने?
हाँ, एक्चुअली मैं एक जियोलॉजिस्ट हूँ.
सच में? तो मुझे बताओ, what sort of rocks are these?
To the untrained eye, ये rocks androgynous लग सकते हैं, but they're actually sedentary.
हाँ? Don't you mean metamorphic and sedimentary?
हाँ, of course, मैं तो बस मजाक कर रहा था.
और सच में handsome भी.
तुम भी बहुत सेक्सी हो, पिंकी.
Thank you for the lovely date, जॉर्जिंदर. मुझे बिल्कुल आइडिया नहीं था कि तुम साइंटिस्ट हो.
एक्चुअली मैं सोच रही थी शायद तुम मेरे अपार्टमेंट आ जाओ. तुम मुझे कुछ सिखा सकते हो जो सी से शुरू होता है और राइम करता है रॉक से.
बिल्कुल. चलो सीधा मेरी गाड़ी में बैठ जाओ.
Sweet baby Jesus.
अब ना पैडल मारना ना पसीना बहाना, ये तो कमाल का है। मैं बहुत सारा पैसा कमाने जा रहा हूँ। हाँ बिल्कुल।
Brother, need a lift?
A ride to car? Hop in.
अरे बेवकूफ, हाथ ऊपर कर। मैं कसम से कह रहा हूँ साहब, गलती से हुआ। गणपति बप्पा मोरया, मंगल मूर्ति मोरया, मोरया रे बप्पा मोरया रे, मोरया रे बप्पा मोरया रे।
Bhupinder, I thought I told you we needed to work on your weight. Unfortunately, your BMI is now 50.
Half century.
Bhupinder, this is not.
Sorry doctor, just a second. Hello?
Bhupinder, don't hang up.
What's wrong?
I'm in police custody. Something about illegal vehicle modification and cow slaughter.
What?
I borrowed your motorcycle and then I kind of fused it with a rickshaw.
You what?
Sector 17 police station.
I'm coming.
Bhupinder, what took you so long? I've been waiting forever.
I had to collect Kramer from the police station for cow slaughter.
My court date is set for next week.
Oh, Bhupinder, I forgot to tell you. Your red turban must actually work. My last date went insanely well. Let's just say, Jangya utar gaya.
Oh, good boy.
Wait, hold on. What exactly does this turban do?
It seems to, I don't know, seduce women. They go crazy for it.
What if, hear me out, I wear the turban to my court hearing? Maybe I could seduce the judge into acquitting me.
You realize how stupid that sounds, right? The judge is a 60-year-old man, Kramer. Exactly.
Kramer, you wrote off my motorcycle. You owe me bail money. And now you want to borrow my turban?
Please, Bhupinder, this is my only hope.
All right.
ये ले मेरा वकील का नंबर, वही जिसने मेरी 7 साल पुरानी पार्किंग फाइन वाली फाइल सुलझाई थी।
गंजे हैं?
If the defendant fails to appear within the next 5 minutes, the court will proceed ex parte and the matter will be decided in his absence.
Case number 287B, State versus Kramer, regarding alleged traffic violations, cow slaughter.
Mr. Kramer, how do you plead?
If it would please the court, I suggest this case be dismissed.
Yes, bilkul. I'm sure I am hard for you. I'm sure this is hard for you. All in favor? Aye. Case dismissed.
Hey, superstar! Congratulations.
It worked. The turban worked. The judge practically melted. Innocent, totally innocent. Case dismissed.
Of course it worked. Bhupinder wore the turban last night when he spoke to his insurance company, flirted with the case manager, got his bicycle repaired without paying a single extra rupee.
This turban.
So, cake? Chai? How do we celebrate?
I've got a brand new box of Cuban cigars.
Oh, that is how we celebrate.
Back to my apartment.
You see the judge's face?
Priceless. Victory tastes of tobacco and triumph.
No, take it off. It's on fire. Hold still. I'm holding still. Yes, stop it. What have you done?
It was an accident.
What do we do now?
Bhupinder bought this turban from Prestige Pagadi ko. We can get it replaced and it will be like nothing ever happened.
Yes, जल्दी से चलो.
Bhupinder notice karega. Should we tell him what happened?
No, absolutely not. It's just a red turban. There's no way he'd notice it's any different.
What about the magic?
Maybe he'll just think it ran out.
Kramer, congratulations on beating your case, yeah? Well done!
Thanks, Bhupinder. Glad it's finally over.
My precious Lal Pagadi.
आज रात बहुत बड़ी बात है. I am headlining the Chandigarh Comedy Festival at the Laugh Club with brand new material. This is it. और ये magic turban के साथ, I know I'll be mind blowing. Tonight Chandigarh will never forget the name Bobinda.
And you both are coming. आगे वाला रो. Don't be late. Oh, Bobinda, हम तो. No time. मैं आज रात आपस में मिलूंगा.
Is that Bobinda's new material?
Why did the boy drop his ice cream? Because he got hit by a bus.
ये तो totally बकवास है.
The least we can do is be there to console him after his train wreck of a set.
Bobinder, you need to cut down on the ice cream. You're above a healthy weight.
Bhupinder, what are you doing? Don't tell me you can't even run 100 meters.
Wow, kid, your comedy sucks. The only thing people laugh at is your size.
I'm leaving. I can't do this anymore. I'm with Tal Jamal now. He does what you can't.
I'm sorry, but you are going to need to purchase 3 airline tickets. You won't fit in just one seat.
To kick us off, Chandigarh के सबसे बड़े comedian, literally, don't just clap, applaud. Introducing Bobinda.
Woo! I'm so glad to be here. Who is excited for a night of laughs?
I have had a rough night. Just now the makeup boy मेरी छाती पर brush करना शुरू कर दिया. I guess that's the only way he'll ever touch a pair of breasts.
अच्छा बताओ, do you know the phrase one man's trash is another man's treasure? अच्छी phrase है, लेकिन it was a weird way to find out that I was adopted.
अन्य पिछले महीने कुछ सीखा at a funeral. I'm sorry and I apologize can mean 2 totally different things.
You know, maybe the real magic of the turban was just confidence all along.
Everybody loves Bobinda. Everybody loves Bobinda. Wake up and I'm like, yeah. Sometimes I pull my pants and cry.